on this episode we're going to be wiring in lights, which isn't all that exciting except for maybe you guys need a little help wiring in your lights. Now basically what we're going to do is, I've got these lights, these are reverse blinkers, running lights, this is everything in this. I'm not sure I'm going to hook up the reverse lights. If I do, I'll do that later. What I got for reverse lights are these, which are like some big, bold, freaking bright boogers. So I'm pretty excited about those. And then maybe later on we might hook these up to reverse lights. We'll see. So what I'm going to do is, these actually came with little wiring harnesses. I'm going to wire all the colors together and get them crimped so that they, basically all I got to do is just slide them up and into the hole, plug them into the light, and then push the light in. So this part's going to be done, and that's what I'm going to do first thing. So let's get going on that. Alright you guys, so this is going to be just a little bit hard to see. Basically what you have on your wiring lights, you've got a red, a black, and a white. I am going to get everything wired together so that they're just one thing. There's going to be a set of 3 on this side, set of 3 on this side. So that's what I'm going to do. I am using the shrink wrap crimp-on ones. So try to keep the water out as much as possible. Later, after I get this all wired up, we'll electrical tape everything and just always have a really hard time with wiring going bad down the road. Which I think you're just going to have that anyway, but we're going to try to avoid it as much as possible. Now they actually make a solder kit that's twice as good as this kit that actually has like a little ball of solder in it, which is sweet. And I bought it, I found it on Instagram, bought it. Cannot find that damn thing to save my life. So, and I got a job coming up. Me and Jed both have to head over to a bridge really quick. That's why I'm wiring this thing up right now, otherwise I'd be trying to paint it. Boom. So there's our connections right there. Should be able to just take them and thread them up through everything, which is going to be nice. So we'll get this other side done. Alright guys, so now that we got the wiring harness built, we got the 3 plugs all wired together into one. What we're going to wind up doing, and guys, you gotta keep in mind that the lights are all going to be doing the same thing. So you can wire all 3 of these lights, and the running lights will kick on, the flashers, the blinkers, all that stuff is going to happen. If you only want certain lights to do it, then you're going to have to figure out how you're going to wire your harness together. So in my case, everything's going to be the same, so I'm not worried about it. So now that this is set up, what I did is, on the last truck that I did this on, instead of nipping the wires all the way back, I just nipped off the colors. And so I still have all the colors of everything that's running here. So I'm super excited about that. So I know I got, let me see here. What do I got here? So I got a black and a red. This is black, this is red. Okay. Nice. So there's the reverse lights. And then this should be on. Should be our running lights right there. Boom. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I got a little electrical tape. I'm going to color coordinate them so that everything's color coordinated on here. And then we're going to plug them in and plug one light in run through all the sequences of the truck, make sure that they're all right, and then once they're all right, then we'll fully commit. We'll crimp them in and then heat shrink them, and then go ahead and tape them up. So anyways, let's get that done really quick. So when you go to wire your truck, red is to your white wire, white is to your black wire, and then red or black is to your white and blue wire. So that's going to be all of our lights. So this baby is ready, and that's going to be this light. It sits just like that. Boom. Yep. Booyah. Super bright, baby. Good to go. Yeah, we're done. We're good.
Nope, I'm laying it out right now so I can get everything cut. I hope it gets tacked together, but you're right.
One.
Come on, boy.
Alright guys, so what I had to do with this is I actually had to take an end grinder, waller all these out. Right now, before we paint this whole thing, we're going to go through, do some body work on everything, Bondo. We're going to make everything look really good. But for right now, we're going to get the lights wired in, and after this thing gets painted and whatever else, I'm probably going to run like a little piece of silicone around this so that when it goes in, it actually kind of like glues itself in a little bit. Right now they're just a little bit sloppy, but they should hold together long enough to go get this job done, and then we can go from there. Jed, is there any way you would reach in here and grab these as I feed these up to you? Ugh. One. Two. Now guys, I'd recommend only doing one of these at a time until you've got them all put together. That way if they bump into something, it doesn't, like I said, it doesn't blow your fuse. So close. There it goes. Two. baby. Will you tell me if the brake lights turn on?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Is it blinking?
Nope.
On it?
Perfect. Yep.
All right, guys, before the camera dies, it's about ready to go. Got all the brake lights, turn lights, running lights, they're in. Basically what we got to do is hurry and get these ones in. And then zip tie the lines up and out of the way and really neat. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll talk to you here in a bit. Be blessed. See ya.